What's up, you guys? It's your boy Caesar Brand here, and on today's video we're going to be reviewing the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 gaming headset. These have been like the best thing, honestly, to me recently. Recently I bought these up from Texas when I was on vacation for, Thanksgiving or whatever. These Turtle Beach headphones are like straight up phenomenal to me. For one, they're wireless, and it's wireless and has a Bluetooth connection. Most headphones that are wireless for gaming, they actually require you to buy like the wireless USB. You don't need this for this. This thing has like a little connector on the side for you to actually, like ping it to the Xbox. These are obviously the Xbox edition ones because, the PlayStation, they do have the blue ones. So I will be linking both of those in the description below. But let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and just review how beautiful and how the sound quality of these things are like. Oh, man, like I'm telling you, like the only reason why I went wireless is just because when I had my wired controller, I used to want to get up a lot to move around, when you're in an intense game, Call of Duty especially. And then I play, a couple wrestling games, NBA. Oh my gosh, get up, the controller, forget about the headset. I forget about my controller. They got the headset on my head. Next thing I know, my controller's on the ground and buttons loose and everything. I'm like, I can't keep doing it. So I was like, I need to drop $100 for some headphones for a one-time deal and then buy a $60, controller. But if I didn't want to do it, then, I'd be spending a lot of money. So let's go ahead and get right into the review. I know I already said it again, but before we do that, please do me a big favor. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for some more content. Also, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram account because I will start getting active on there, posting new videos and stuff. So let's go get right into it officially this time. And this right here is going to be the Turtle Beach 600 Stealth, a wireless for Xbox One, X, and also Series S. Let's get it. So, a couple things about these headphones right here. Of course, they do, they're flexible as well. They have like the cotton headset things on the inside, which is so comfortable for your ears and everything. I've tested these headsets out, actually, not these, but this headset out on Call of Duty especially. Just doing a little quick gaming around just to see how I actually like it. Because if you can hear, all the guns and stuff all up in Call of Duty, then it's like, heck yeah, you want to keep it. So Call of Duty is one of the games I definitely do test out any headset I get for my gaming. If I can do it on Call of Duty, I can do it on anything else. I just want to hear them gunshots. I want to hear your footprints because ain't nobody sneaking up on me, killing me. Got you on that one. Also, a good thing about this as well, the microphone is also retractable on here. I'm going to flip it down, You can flip it down. If you want to flip it down, that's when you will hear the audio out. You flip it right back up, that's when you're going to be muting yourself from the party. You can still hear out of it, so that's a good plus right there. Also on the other side as well, we have our USB-C, which is our charger cable, and under there is going to be like a little, like I said, the Bluetooth figure on there. You also have your power cable, your mode cable, button. Sorry, I'm not for sure what the mode button is used for. I've actually not touched that, but I'm pretty sure it's something where you can download the Turtle Beach app and do something with the equalizer on there. I don't do it. I think these sound pretty good for what I'm trying to do with them, which is just gaming. I don't listen to music off of it, but if I'm on Spotify and I hear some music, it sounds phenomenal as well. We also have the equalizers on here, like I said, for the game volume and also the chat volume. Those right there, I don't think those should have been on that that earmuff, just because not both of them on that same earmuff. And the reason why I say that is just because sometimes, like I said, once you're in a tense game and you're trying to lower one of them, you're going to end up doing this. You're going to swipe up on both of them instead of just swiping down on one of them. So that's a big downside to it. But yeah, then another thing about this as well, like I said, the headrest. Oh my god, the headrest is so freaking soft. You're not gonna regret buying this at all. Like I said, it's only $100, but it can be a little bit cheaper, just depending on if they do have some sales. So I'll keep try my best to keep this video updated for sales. But yeah, look how soft. This thing is just so soft and everything. It just sits right on top of your head and you're just gaming. Like, you're gonna just forget about it actually being on your head once in a while. Like I said, the softness on the headrest, it's also very good. It's stretchy as well. I would say that it's not that stretchy, but I got a big head and it can fit. Another thing about it as well, of course, you know, every headset should have this, but I'm pretty sure there may be somebody coming like, well, I think one size fits all, so we're just gonna leave it like this. I'm like, nah, man, I need that. I need that extra room, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much all we have today for the Turtle Beaches headphones right here. These headphones, like I said, they are phenomenal for me. I use them pretty much for every single time I'm on the game. I do wish these were like compatible with Xbox and the PlayStation, but you know, it's whatever. So if I want to hear it on there, I actually got, you know, I'm used to using my Logitech Z313s. Those are the what are those? A computer desktop speakers and everything, you know. I'll link those in the description below, and also the video of us unboxing and the review for it, because I'm telling you, for $40, bro, that was like the best deal I've ever got compared to, you know, getting like a sound bar. Them Logitechs, them A1. So yeah, guys, that's all we have today for today's video. And please make sure you guys go ahead and like and comment on this video. Go ahead and also hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for some more content as well. Also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. All my social medias are the same, CJ Brand, and we'll be back with some more content real soon. Till then, see you later.